Hey everyone, before we get started on today's video, if you didn't use a referral code when you signed up to drive for Uber, it is not too late to get a bonus of up to $1,000. You can use my code right now and you could get that bonus. It depends on when you signed up. It could be $500, could be $800, it literally could be $1,200. But you could literally just get that money right in your account just because you did give the rides then, but you didn't use a referral code. So real quick, here's how you do it. First, open your Uber driver app. Next, click the photo or the 3 lines in the corner. Click earnings. Then click help or question mark. Click account and payment. Then referrals. Now this is the most important step. Make sure you don't mess this one up. Click invited driver, report my missing or incorrect referral. Then click send a message. Type in my invite code. It's G4QA5UE. Guess who your friend's name is? Mr. Gregory Wave. That's right, your homie for life. Phone number 815-847-0184. And the email is gregwave@yahoo.com. In the details, just say my good pal Greg referred me to drive for Uber or something like that, and they'll take care of you. So check it out, guys. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. This is an interesting topic, but some people were asking about this. Is it something you should or shouldn't do? It's a tricky topic, but let's just jump right into it. Should you flirt with your customers? Look, if you really think this is the love of your life, go for it. I say go for it. Just, let it out. You're never going to see them again. If you're fine with the fact that they might be really creeped out and give you a 1-star rating, go for it. So here's been my experience with the opposite sex in Uber and Lyft. For me, my general rule is, I'm in a relationship now, so obviously I don't at all. But when I was single and doing it, I feel like it's risky. I personally feel like in today's day and age, it's risky, and you have to be really, really, really careful because there's a lot of crazy things going on out there. So especially if you're a guy attempting to flirt or ask a girl out in Uber and Lyft, you got to think about all the things that are going around in the media. Okay, so there's a lot of reasons why a woman should be very sketched out by you asking her out in your Uber car. Okay, they have all the reason to be freaked out, to be sketched out. So bear that in mind. That you could be taking a giant risk. They could accuse you of something even if you did nothing wrong. You could. Why? Because it's crazy. There's crazy stories out there. So they're on high guard, and I think they have every right to be. So you got to be really careful with that. I did go on a date with one girl from a ride. It never really turned into a second date. But she was being very open with me. And I would say that's your first guideline, is make sure they're being open, they're being receptive, gauge the interest. Don't just be very flirty with every female customer, or if you're a woman, every male customer that gets in your car. That's not going to go well. And don't drive Uber and Lyft for the reasons of I'm going to find, my next girlfriend or my next boyfriend. And I would say that if you're doing bar pickups, don't do it at all, because you might be the cute Uber driver when they're drunk, and they might give you their number, and you might text them the next day, and they might be like, "What the hell is this weirdo really texting me?" So I would totally avoid it on the weekends when people are hammered because they're not making sound decisions from the get-go. And I for me personally, I would say avoid it. It's not, I feel like at the end, nothing good can come of it. But, if you really feel like your future husband or wife is sitting in the back of your car, I would say go for it. Just, be nonchalant, and just, try and ask them on a casual date and make them feel really comfortable if they want to say no. But don't make it this really awkward thing. I don't know. I'm the more I even talk in this video, I'm feeling like you just shouldn't do it. But I'll leave it up to you guys. But that's my experience. The other thing I've noticed is that a lot of times, and I'll say this for in general, even if people are just wanting to hang out, a lot of times what I've run into is girls or guys I've met that are like, yo, you're really chill or whatever it is. Like, let's hang out in the future. They'll give me their number. I'll text them and they blow me off. So I don't know if it's just an in the moment thing and they were being nice and I was being naive thinking they actually wanted to chill or do something. But what I've learned is that if somebody is really wanting to hang out or, you know, be friends or go on a date, make them get a hold of you. And I explained this why. The last person that asked me for my number, I said, or asked if I wanted to hang out in the future, I told him, I was like, yeah, I'm fine with that. But I was like, you get a hold of me. And here's why. Because a lot of times I end up being the weird Uber driver. All right. And I don't want to be that. Like, that is not my heart. That's not my intention. So if you want to hang out, you know, just get a hold of me and we'll set something up. But I'm not going to reach out to you because I'm not looking to get curved on any level. So that's my video for today, guys. You know, just be careful. You are playing a pretty, you know, thin layer of ice. So be careful with it. Be smart. Don't say anything you shouldn't. Be casual. Be nonchalant. And it should go well for you. For your own sake, I hope you don't meet your husband or wife in Uber. Because I don't want you to have to go through that awkwardness. So have a good day, guys. I hope you got some from this video. Be sure to like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Much more stuff coming for you soon. Much love to you all and all the support you guys have shown. Have a great rest of your day.